Oke.
Ya. Yuk.
Screen-nya udah, Mas.
Sampun.
Oke. Oke, good night all of you in this room. I am with my team. The first author is Tommy Sunyoto, and the second is Agus Dermawan. The third is Dwitika Putri, and the last is me, ADS. I will present my article. The entitled is Availability of Sport Facility in Semarang City. Next slide. Yeah. This introduction is the sport is exercise performed by one or more people who are the team or group. The definition of sport from the point of view of physiology, is a series of regular and planned exercise that a person consciously does to improve his functional ability in accordance with his goal of doing sports. And then sport facility and infrastructure are something that cannot be separated from one another in sport, where between the two there is a common relationship. A facility is something that can be used and utilized in the implementation of sport or physical education activity. Meanwhile, infrastructure is something that simplifies or expedites tasks and has a relatively permanent nature. Next slide, please. Okay, this is the research method. The first, the study use a survey research design. And the second is data collection method, use observation, interview, and documentation. The third is the research place and the location are as many as 16 sub-districts in the city of Semarang, which are used as research sites. The data analysis techniques use a data reduction system to present the data in the form of calculating the quantity as well as the quality of the facilities and infrastructure in the city of Semarang. Next slide. Yeah, this is the result of the volleyball court in Semarang. Semarang Tengah is 0, and Semarang Utara is 5, Semarang Timur is 6, Kayamsari 4, Genuk 7, Pedurungan 24, Semarang Selatan 0, Sandisari 6, Gajah Mungkur 19, Tembalang 6, Banyumanik 36, Gunung Pati 49, Semarang Barat 12, Mijen 18, Nalian 11, and Tugu 8. Next. This is the result of basketball court in the Semarang. Semarang Tengah is 13, Semarang Utara is 3, Semarang Timur 1, Kayamsari 1, 2, Genuk 3, and Genuk and Pedurungan is 3, Semarang Selatan 2, Candisari 0, and Tembalang 0, 2, Gajah Mungkur 6, Banyumanik 3, Gunung Pati 7, Semarang Barat 5, Mijen 0, Nalian 2, Tugu 2. Next slide. Yeah. This is the results of tennis court. And there are Semarang Tengah is 2, Semarang Utara 0, Semarang Timur, Kayamsari Genuk is 1, Pedurungan is 0, Semarang Selatan 3, Candisari 1, Gajah Mungkur 4, Tembalang 3, Banyumanik 11, Gunung Pati and Mijen 0, Semarang Barat 2, Ngalian 1, Tugu 0, 2. Next slide. Yeah, this is a result of futsal field in Semarang City. Subdistrict Semarang Tengah is 0, Semarang Utara 4, Semarang Timur 1, Kayamsari and Genuk 4, Pedurungan and Semarang Selatan 3, Candisari 1, Gajah Mungkur 2, Tembalang 1, Banyumanik 5, Gunung Pati 0, Semarang Barat 4, Mijen 3, and Ngalian and Tugu 2. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is a result of football and athletics stadium in Semarang City. Yeah, you can see that the type of B is 2, type of C is 7, and then athletic stadium type C is 3. Next, this discussion. Yeah, you can see in the sport infrastructure indicator with the volleyball field sub-indicator with an average of 13, with the lowest number of 0 in Central Semarang and South Semarang district, while the highest number is 49 in Gunung Pati. Basketball court had an average of 3, with the lowest number of 0 in Candisari, Tembalang, and Mijen, while the highest number was 13 in South Semarang. The average in tennis ball court was a 2, with the lowest number of 0 in North Semarang and Pedurungan, Gunung Pati, and Mijen, while the highest number was 11 in Banyumanik district. Next. The average is futsal field is 2, with the lowest number of 0 in Central Semarang and Gunung Pati, while the highest number is 5 in Banyumanik district. The average of football stadium is 4. The lowest is 0 in type O, while the highest is 7 in type C. Athletic stadium in the average is a 3. The lowest number is 0 in type A and B, while the highest number is 3 in type C. Then next, the average badminton court is 1,060 to 2,200, with the lowest number 0 in rural area, while the highest number is 162 in urban area. Okay, the sport hall with average or mean is 2. The lowest number is 0 in type A, while the highest number is 2 in type C. Next. Yeah, the conclusion is City of Semarang has quite a lot sport facility, complete and evenly distributed in 16 districts. These facilities and infrastructure are put to good use by the people of Semarang City in carrying out sporting activity in the city of Semarang. Okay, good people. This is the last of my slide. Good night, everybody. Thank you for your attention.